Hi, you have tuned in to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Guys, I really do appreciate it. To all of my returning viewers, thank you so much. And if this is your first time, welcome. And if this is your first time, go ahead on and comment below and say first time. Okay guys, so what I'm doing now, I just want to welcome you to my house fall Thanksgiving tour 2024 decorating. And as you can see, I have already jumped into this video, and this is my buffet table showing you some fall items that I came in and placed on this table. Now I will be showing you further on in the video a different styling of this buffet, but this is one of my favorite pieces in the house. And if this is your first time, just want to let you know that maryw is 48 inches in diameter, and it is very heavy, so I won't be switching it out in different places because I don't have any help. 3 guys had to help me, okay? So right here guys, this is my coffee table, and I purchased this coffee table from Amazon, and I love this coffee table, okay? And here I added some of my fall items on this table. Some of these items are like a DIY. Oh no, take that back. This is not the DIY table. But these vases here, they came from Burlington, okay? And I like those stems that's in that little vase there. Okay guys, let's move right along over to my console table. Now this is, yeah, those books are DIY. But I came in on this table and I just brought in some more fall items. Like neutral colors except for my candles. But anyway, this is what we have over here, and I thought this area turned out nice. And I'm loving my little pumpkins that I got there. Got those from the Dollar Tree. And if you are new, that table was DIY. I went and had some glass cut and placed it on my console table because I didn't want to get rid of it. Okay, and I'm looking for some more curtains. I ordered some, but they didn't come in. They said they got lost in the mail, so they ended up giving me my refund back. So I'm on the look again. Okay, moving right along to my buffet table in my dining area. And this is what we have here. That picture came from, I think, either Ross or Burlington. But that pot was DIY. It was like a mauve, and I decided, hey, paint it black. Anytime you don't like the color of your home decor, go ahead on and paint it, honey. Can of spray paint, about $7. You have a whole new look. And my little giraffe over there, he's just sitting all alone by himself, okay? By himself. Okay, right along in this area, I do have my candle pillow holder. And right along here, I do have a DIY book that Tom Ford there. And here's the pot, the vase that I was telling you about. Those stems there came from Shein. Okay, back to this buffet table. Now here you see some different decor on it, and those books there was DIY as well, along with that vase that holding those stems. And this buffet table, I ordered it from Amazon. Okay. Yeah, so I like these little stems here. I had those for probably about 2 years now. I put them out mainly during the fall. And over in this corner here, got my little cozy corner, mostly black except for the acorn. And as you guys know, that's my little horse. That is my little horse straight from Temu. Okay guys, just want to continue to show you guys what I got going on, and I hope that you guys are having a blessed day and everything is going just fine with you. And Thanksgiving is approaching. Yes, it is. So let's go over here to my living room. Now here is a shot of my sofa and my coffee table. As you can see, this is another styling on my coffee table, but this was all fall, okay? And I went in and came in with some earth tone on this particular setting here, along with my greenery, my ferns, and my black vases. They came from, guess what? Guess where? Burlington. Yes, I like Burlington when it comes to vases because they have different little shapes, and if I like the shape of the vases, I go ahead on and purchase them. Okay, back over to my console table. Here is a different styling for the fall. It's where I came in and I added some more earth tone along with the black and along with my DIY books. And these little stems here, guys, came from Shein. I got to get back on line and order me some more items from this particular company here, because they do have some good quality products for the price. And most of the items here, I did shop my home, okay? And this is a shot of my living room with the earth tone colors. And you saw in a video where I hung those pictures behind my couch. And so they are like that earth tone, like black, the browns, and the green. So I'm going to be going to those colors probably after Christmas. I'm going to come in and do my all white thing, then my all black thing. And guys, you just stay tuned, because after Christmas I do that like winter white living room. And then I come in and do the black and white, and then maybe all black. So stay tuned for those videos coming up around the first of the year. And here is my fall dining room. And I went in and did my thing on this table here. Bought in some of that orangey in this area. I believe this was maybe, but anyway, I can't even think what I was about to say. But I went in and I did an arrangement, a little flower bed here, the pumpkin bed around my vase. Yes. Yeah, so that's what I did. And guys, I got these little plates here from the Dollar Tree. And I thought they were so cute. Had them about maybe 2 years now. And I bring them out every Thanksgiving, every fall, just to show thanks, give thanks. Yes, give thanks. And it is dark outside. I was working while it was dark. And let's go to my kitchen here. This is my Thanksgiving fall kitchen. Everything is already decorated, guys, so I didn't show you any of the part where I was decorating, because I know this was going to be a long video, so I tried to cut out as much as possible. But this is my fall Thanksgiving kitchen. And I do have some of that burnt orange in here along with some other neutral colors like right along here. Guys, you know what? I mentioned in one of my videos that I was going to get a light. But guess what? I have a light. But now I got to put it up underneath my cabinet. And that little plaque there says give thanks. And that's what I'm all about. This Thanksgiving season is giving thanks to my Almighty God, because I cannot praise Him enough, because He has been so good to me. He has healed my body. I mean, He just have done miraculous things for me. Okay, let's get to my china cabinet or my hutch, whatever you want to call it. But this is where I went in and I took out all of my plates. And I gave some away and I put some away. So I'm using this now for like a storage, but I'm using it for like to hold some of my home decor, display some of my home decor. Because I just don't want it to be sitting like naked once I took my plates out. So this is what I have done. I put my pumpkins in there for the season, and each season I'm going to be changing up. So after this will be Christmas, and I normally decorate for Christmas after Thanksgiving. I don't decorate before, and that's my preference. I don't have anything against anyone who decorates before Christmas. This is just my preference, okay? And this is where I came in and I put a lot of whites in here, but then I accented with the orange and the neutral tone. And that's my little deer on the side. I never did put that deer up, guys, from last Christmas. I purchased that for last Christmas, and then I realized that I can actually use it year round. So that's what I have been doing lately with my little deer. I just move my little deers around in different spots, and I enjoy them all year long. Yes, so that's me waving at you guys. Give me a wave emoji if you made it this far. Just wave back at me, okay? And here are some of my wine glasses. I put a lot of those in the cabinet, but the little ones that fragile, because these are very thin. Well, not all of them. Mainly the ones that I got from Burlington. They got the little gold around the stem. They're very fragile. Right along here, guys, I got my little tea kettle, I got my pumpkin, and I have my black apple sitting in a bowl. And that's the little vignette right there on that shelf. So right here I have 2 more pumpkins. And along with my little wine glasses. Now these glasses here are not thin because they are crystal, okay? So they are not thin. Can you see the thickness of those? So I don't have to worry about those breaking. Yes. So yeah, this is my china or hutch. And I had this for some time now. And I love the shape of it. It's not new. I know many people don't have these china cabinets or hutches left in their house. But hey, I'm old school, so I like it. And right here on my coffee table. Now I had this set up for like a little coffee station, coffee, tea, beverage, whatever you want to call it. And I decided to put my big plate that my husband brought to me. Someone gifted that to him, and then he gifted it to me. So hey, what he gonna do with it? But I thought that was nice. He normally brings me a lot of different little items that he think that I like. And this is the setup here. Yes, this is my setup, and this is my courtyard picture. I had that for a while. You know what? I started to give that away. But then I realized, since my colors was like the white and black, and this picture had some of that white and black in it, so I said, I'm going to keep it. Now here is another view of my kitchen with different decoration for the fall, Thanksgiving. and I came in and I took some of the items out and I added some to it. So on my last kitchen video, I believe this here was the last kitchen video, but it's different from the first one that I showed you guys. But I kept my let your dreams be your wings. I kept that up because guess what? I'm going back to my black and white. Yes. So guys, what are you doing for Thanksgiving? I know I probably asked on my last video, are you guys going to be doing some cooking, or are you going to go over to a friend or relative house and eat, or are you going to take a dish? How have you guys thought about this Thanksgiving thing for Thanksgiving meal? But guess what? I had a niece. She contacted me today and she asked, she said, are you coming home for Thanksgiving? And I'm going like, yes. And she said, we are going to have a big meal, big dinner over to my dad's house. Where my sister, she passed 2020, so now it's just her dad. And so all of the girls are planning on meeting at the dad's house, and they are inviting me and my family. So guess what? I get a chance to eat at so many different places. One of my nieces, she's going to be cooking, and so I'm going to eat with her. And this is a different niece. And also I got sisters. One of my sisters, well, not one of my sisters, but at least two of my sisters. The other two that passed, they normally cook for me as well, but they are going on home to heaven now. And so but two of my sisters, they still cook. And so one of my sisters, she normally cook a big meal and she invites me. And then I got another sister now, since my daughter, not my daughter, but one of my nieces purchased some land and a big house, her and her husband. And so now this sister that normally have dinner at her house, she brings the stuff up to her daughter's house, which is my niece. And we just get out there and we just have fun, and we play different sports, we play cards, we make videos, we make shorts, we cook, we just have a good time, just a family getting together. Okay, getting back to this video, I just steered all, come back precious, come back precious. Now over here on this console table, I think this is my third one decorated differently. Look at my little men's hanging on. Oh, I didn't keep the camera on my little men's long enough, but anyway, I got them sitting on the edge of the table. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, because we are coming to the end of it. And I believe I've been talking for about 18 minutes. Oh my goodness. But anyway, if you have not subscribed, go ahead on and do so at this time, and leave me a comment to let me know that you have subscribed. And I would love to welcome you into the precious family, and I hope you got some type of idea, some type of inspiration, so you can use in your Thanksgiving decoration. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.